pretty girl. Hi. Hi, look at this pretty girl. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. Whoa, friends are coming. Friends are coming. Hi. Off they go. Going to the yurt now. You can see the solar panels. They work great, keeping the lights on, the fans, fridge. It's so cozy and comfortable. And there it is, our comfy, cozy yurt. Hey, Gaia, did you see the horsies? Here's our home. This loft is where Gaia and Malika sleep up there. It's really cozy. Here's Daddy
Hi.
And Malika.
Welcome to our yurt.
Here's the beautiful bathroom. I'm making a video to show everyone back home. Here's the lovely cozy bedroom. This is the best part, the skylight.
Oh, show them the loft.
I will. We're gonna walk around to the kitchen. Well, we gotta wash the dishes. We ran out to go rock climbing today. And then there's lots of games like Jenga. And there's a little a wood stove over there. A TV and a VCR with lots of movies. And beautiful paintings painted by Beth, our host. There's me. Hi. Alright, see you guys back in Philly.
Go check out the loft.
Oh, we're gonna go see the loft. Anybody want to demonstrate? Me. Alright, get on up there.
I'll wave to you from the top.
I'll put glow sticks on there so at night the steps light up and it's not too dark. Up you go. This is just the last bit we want to show you. And Malika and Gaia sleep here.
It's so cozy. Ow!
And there they are. Say goodbye, girls.
Bye.
Let me see the view from the top.
Oh, the view from the top. Whoops. One more thing.
And look at the skylight.
Bedroom. And there it is. This was our home for the last few days. Bye.